Good morning, students. In the last classes we have learnt about the places with the presence of a computer. We have started with that chapter. So we have learned the computers at home, that in home what we can do with the computers. Again we have learnt computers in the educational field, that is in schools, colleges, offices. Computers are there what we do with the help of our computers. Again we have learnt the computers at airports, bus stops and railway stations, that they are to use booking tickets. So all these we have learned. So today we will learn about the computers in offices, uses of computers in offices. In offices what we do? In offices computers are used to type letters, to take printouts, to prepare many bills, many accounting records, and to store many kinds of information. So all these we can do with the help of computer in offices. Now CAD. What is the full form of CAD? Computer aided design. What is that? It is a software used by fashion designers, civil engineers, artists, automobile designers and others to create designs in their respective fields. Means it is a software. All these designers, engineers, artists, they use this software in their respective fields. Okay. Now computer in banks. In bank what we do? In bank people deposit money, withdraws money. So all these accounts are written, all these records are kept. So it is kept in the computer. While we print our books, passbooks, in there all those are written. So these records are maintained by the computers. Again ATM. What is that? It is an automated teller machine. It is used to withdraw money, deposit, checks at any time. So all these are done with the help of computers. Now in hospitals, how computers help in hospitals? Hospitals, computers are used to maintain records of the patients and their staff, as well as computers help doctors to perform surgeries, also help in medical research, as well as to keep the records of medicines, many medical reports, bills. All these are kept in computers in hospitals. So by this way we can use our computers in hospitals. So all these we have learned. Some word waves are there. You have to remember. That is deposit. Deposit means that is a sum of money which we pay in a bank account. And withdrawal means if we want to take money, that is called withdraw. Okay. So today up to this much. Next day we will discuss about the inside as well as the exercise questions. Thank you.